Hello, my name is Richard, and I'm going to show you my homemade recipe for Polish salt brine pickles. They are absolutely delicious. So, what you have to do is you have to start with your pickles. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up what I call a Tommy Lee. So I'm going to put a Tommy Lee in here. A little small Tommy Lee. Now, that's not enough, so I'm going to put another one in here. Well, this one's a little bit bigger. I think we'll put that one in there too. Another Tommy Lee in there. Very good. And look at this one here. Well, I think depending on what time of day it is, this Tommy Lee is a little bigger than the rest. Okay, so we'll put this one in here as well. I'm going to look down here and see what else I can find. Oh, look at this one. I also like to take the ends off the pickles. Just like that, take those ends off. And what we have here, well, this is a curved Tommy Lee. I call this the Royal Tommy Lee. It's got a royal curve to it. We'll add this to the pickle jar. There we go. Oh, we got 4 in here so far. Let's see if we can stuff one more Tommy Lee in here. I got one here. Well, it doesn't quite fit in. This little Tommy is a little too big, so we're going to add a smaller Tommy in here. Depending on what time of day it is, that will determine what size your Tommies are going to be. I think we'll just try a little tiny little Tommy here. Here's a nice little narrow Tommy. I don't know what time of day this one came from. I'll take the little ends off and I'll stuff it into the jar. So here you have it. You have a nice jar of Tommy Lees in here. So the next thing you want to do is you want to add your salt. So for this size jar, I'm going to add 1 full tablespoon of kosher pickling salt and about another half tablespoon. I want to make sure all my Tommies are stuffed right down deep hard into that jar. There you go, because you don't want you want them completely submerged. Okay, next thing you want to add some spice. So what we'll do is we'll add some garlic, about 3 or 4 cloves of garlic. Put that in there. Also, you've got some yellow hot banana peppers. You want to put them in there. That'll keep it nice and hot. I'll just put one more in there. Okay, also what we have here is you want to add some sweet bell peppers. They're already chopped. A couple of those in there. I got a red one, a nice color. We're gonna add another red one, and we got some orange ones in here, and we're gonna add a small yellow one. That's gonna make it very colorful and very tasty. Also, now you want to add your pickling spice. So, the pickling spice here, you gotta put that in your jar. I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of pickling spice in here. Also, again, I like it hot and I like it spicy. So we got some red pepper, chili flakes. I put a teaspoon in that. And we got some peppercorns, black, red, and white peppercorns. We're going to add a teaspoon in that, perhaps. I'll make it a little more spicy. We'll add another half a teaspoon of that in there. Also, I got jalapeno peppers. Well, I want to keep it hot. I'm going to add two jalapeno peppers into that. The last step, oh, don't forget the bay leaf. You want to put some bay leaf in here. It'll help to keep your pickles crisp. Also, we got dill. You always want to add dill into your jar, just like that. And the next thing you need to do is add a little bit of grapevine leaf. This will help to keep your pickles nice and crunchy and firm. Everybody likes a nice firm Tommy Lee. Now we're just going to add some water. This is boiled water. It's already sterilized and distilled. Add that all the way up, just below maybe a 1/4 inch from the top. Now I put my lid on, just like that. And you don't want to seal it completely. You just want to tighten it by hand. After about 3 or 4 days, you're going to constantly burp the lid, make sure all the air gets out. And after about 5 days, what I do is I tighten down the lid, I turn it upside down, and then you'll see if there's any water escaping. If there's any water escaping, you'll have to undo it and do it again. That way you know it's a complete seal if there's no water after you turn it upside down. These should be ready in about a month and a half. And enjoy. Richard's Polish pickle recipe. Take it home and enjoy.